Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Alumni elect new World Council officials, 2 elected from Asia-Pacific region. Mr. Neil Evangelista reports from Manila, Philippines.
At the conclusion of the past Pupils' General Assembly, held at Valdoco near Turin, Italy, the Rector Major of the Salesians announced the new officials of the World Federation of Don Bosco Past Pupils. While former Treasurer of the Confederation, Mr. Brian Magro, 53 years old from Malta, is the President. Mr. Peter Kovac, 33 years old from Slovakia, was elected Secretary General. 45-year-old Mr. Celso Nogueira from Portugal is Treasurer. 4 regional councillors represent 4 continents. Of these, 2 from Asia-Pacific region are Mr. Ketan Gala, 53 years old from India, representing adult alumni, and Mr. Neil Evangelista, 28 years old from the Philippines, representing young past pupils.
Village hosts concert in memory of Pioneer Salesian College alumnus. Banhulang Lingdo reports from Dhaje.
Dhaje Basti village in the Himalayan foothills hosted a 2-hour open-air concert in memory of a mission founder. The event featured 6 orchestra pieces and several cultural dances on 28 November 2021. Alumnus of the Salesian College, Italian Father Luigi Giallacci started Dhaje Basti mission in 1990s. Father Giallacci Memorial Concert, brainchild of music maestro Father Nirmal Gomes, was held in the grounds of Nazareth Bhavan Salesian Novitiate. The event showcased cultural and musical talents of Dhaje Basti youth in collaboration with 9 Salesian novices. Chief guests at the event were Vicar General of Darjeeling Sikkim Diocese, Father Samuel Lepcha, and Principal of Salesian College Siliguri Sonata, Father George Tarathil, both of whom had walked the Balasun Valley missions with Father Giallacci. The previous day, Don Bosco Church Mirik marked Silver Jubilee of its foundation by Father Luigi Giallacci with the erection of a life-size statue. Bishop Stephen Lepcha of the Darjeeling Sikkim dedicated the statue. Father Luigi Giallacci worked in the Balasun Valley from 1963 till his death in 2009 from Sonada and Mirik in Darjeeling district. His brother Salesian Father Pietro Giallacci was a missionary in Thailand.
Don Bosco Publishing House Hyderabad presents Word With Us, Bible Diary 2022. Available in both popular and royal editions. Besides scripture readings for daily Eucharist, the diary contains liturgical information, insights from Saint of the Day, short and relevant reflections, prayers of the faithful for Sundays and solemnities. Ideal Christmas gift for family and friends. Order from sales@dbpublishinghouse.com or WhatsApp country code 91, mobile number 9390257614. Drug Rehabilitation Education and Mentoring Project launched. Father Bastin Neliseri reports from Kerala, South India.
Bangalore Rural Education and Development Society, the Development Office of the Salesian Province of Bangalore, launched the Drug Rehabilitation Education and Mentoring DREAM project on 20th November 2021 at Don Bosco Vadadala, the Valdoco of Bangalore Province. The DREAM project was inaugurated and launched by Joint Excise Commissioner of Crime Branch Ernakulam, Mr. Nelson, and Provincial of Bangalore Province, Father Jose Koikil, released the project logo. The DREAM project, spread over 40 months, covers 10 districts of Kerala and reaches 40 to 50 panchayats, 50 schools and 10 colleges in each district. Training and awareness on the dangers of drug abuse and digital addiction will be the focus of the project. The project envisages a counseling center at every district stationed in one of the Don Bosco institutions. A de-addiction and a rehabilitation center is planned for the entire state.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Shillong. Interfaith youth attend peace camp. Brother David Ben Yusolin reports from Jakarta, Indonesia.
From 19th to 21st November 2021, 6 clerics from the Sacred Heart Post-Novitiate at Sunter joined the Student Interfaith Peace Camp held at Wisma Pangestu, Sukabumi, West Java. This first offline camp during the pandemic was the initiative of Young Peacemaker Interfaith Community, Jakarta. 21 young people from different religious backgrounds, mainly Islam and Christian, along with 9 facilitators, learned how to prevent and fight violence based on religion. The 3-day training consisted of first, self-knowledge, second, knowledge of others and their beliefs, and third, celebrating diversity.
Church Art Kolkata has a series of popular murals illustrating life and activities of Jesus Christ and saints. The 36 inches by 40 inches murals feature major life events and miracles of Jesus like healing paralytic, raising the dead, and curing the blind. Other popular murals include Jesus blessing children and mothers bringing children to Jesus. Larger versions of these murals are also available. These murals are ideal for churches, educational institutions, hospitals, and social work establishments. For affordable prices and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. Australia Province gets 4 Salesian deacons, Father C.M. Paul reports.
During the Vigil Mass of the first Sunday of Advent, 4 Salesians, Kevin Fiamme, Etiwati Milo, Joseph Huang, and Duc Tran, were ordained deacons by Bishop Anthony Ireland, Auxiliary Bishop of Melbourne. The Mass was celebrated at St. Joseph's Catholic Church in Collingwood, near Melbourne City Centre on 27th November 2021. The Mass was concelebrated by the Provincial of Australia Pacific Province, the Provincial Economer, the Dean of Studies, and many other Salesian priests. A large number of Salesian sisters, brothers, and family members also took part in this post-lockdown liturgy. The 4 deacons will be assigned to Salesian parishes and youth centres in Sydney and in Adelaide.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.